How would you like to find all of the repeating words in an English, Greek, or Hebrew Bible, especially the ones that are underlying in the biblical text? Well, you can do that with a construct search in Accordance. It's very easy and powerful to do it. So you'll simply go to the File tab, and then under New tab, you're going to select Construct. And for an English one, you're going to select Simple. And then here I have my NASB 95 with Strong's Open linked to my Simple construct. And we've added two key numbers to the Simple construct to find a word. They have to agree in the key number, and we want them within one word. And so what this is going to do is this is actually still searching the biblical languages using the key number searching for those words that are repeating words, but then you can see how the English translates them. So even though you're seeing the words dry land, it's actually the same word in Hebrew that's being repeated that you can see on the screen, and you can see that if you look down in instant details. Or here with brought forth, it again is the same, but you can see how that translation is being brought forth in the English. Now, you can run these same type of repeating word searches directly in Greek or Hebrew as well by going to File, and then you'll be going to New tab, Construct, and Greek. And you'll link your Greek construct to one of your Greek Bibles, such as the NA 28. I've added two lexical forms of the word, and again, I've put in the asterisks, and then you want the agreement to be either the lexical or inflected forms of the word, and you want them within one word. And then when you run this search, again, you're getting all the repeated words in the Greek New Testament. And you can also do this for Hebrew as well. So if you go to File, New tab, and then you go to your construct Hebrew, you can link a construct to the Hebrew. You can drag over two lexical forms of the word, and again, you can put an asterisk in. You'll drag over agreement, and you want them to agree in the lexical and inflected forms of the word. You want them within one word, and then you're going to get all of the repeated words in Hebrew as well and be able to run the search. Very simple and powerful ways to find repeated words, either through key numbers and see how they're translated in English, or directly in the Greek and Hebrew as well in Accordance. And once you're done, don't forget you can go to File and Save, and you can save these as a workspace so that you can just, with one click, bring up this search anytime.